So I went to Walmart and grabbed 3 of these wood stick, and then I'm gonna place them together. I'm gonna take a hair tie and tie it all the way around it like that, then place it in the middle. Then I'm gonna open it up. I found this circle with circle in Dollar Tree, but you can also use a mirror if they don't have it. Then go ahead and open your wood and place it all the way around. Take your hot glue and attach it into place, and then go ahead and continue attaching your other side. But before you attach the back, make sure to grab one of these floral foam, put some hot glue all the way around it, and then attach it to the wood just like that. Attach it into place. Then after that, then go ahead and attach the other side of the wood. Then after you're done attaching the whole thing, grab your spray paint it and go whatever color you're doing. Then I'm gonna take my leaf and flowers and place it all the way around it. Guys, I did so many ideas for this DIY. I just my head was going crazy with all this DIY that I didn't know how to do it, so I decided to do all of them for you guys. So then I went ahead and grabbed this candle holder. I'm gonna put some hot glue on the candle holder, and I'm also gonna put some hot glue in the stick, and then I'm gonna place the candle holder in the middle, and then go ahead and place the candle. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It's so simple, so easy, and I think it's super cute that you guys can use for any party decorations that you guys are doing. You could switch the color as well. I'm just giving you the idea. You decide which one you would like to do. Now for the next DIY, I'm going to leave almost the same thing, but I'm going to use some red flowers. I'm going to change the flowers on this one, so I'm going to put some red roses in the middle. And then I'm going to take this one and I cover the ties because I didn't want to show it, just so it won't show that tie over the here and there. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue and attach a middle on top. Put your glass. And this is the first one. How cute. You could just leave it with a red candle. You could also do just a white candle. And then make sure to put your flower in the middle, as you can see at the bottom. And I think it came out super cute and it's so easy. I love it how this one turns out, and I hope you guys like it. So now I'm giving you different idea. This one is with a taller face version, so you decide which one you like better. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the bouquet, and then I just did a round circle and put my candle in the middle like that, and I put the flower all the way around, and then I just put it on top. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Super cute and easy to do. I loved how this one turns out. And the good thing about this one, that you can put a candle on top if you would like it like this one, or you can leave it the other way. It's up to you. You decide which one you like better. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna grab one of these clear balloon. I'm just gonna go ahead blow them up and tie them up with a little bit of tape. And then the way that I'm going to attach it, I'm just gonna place it on top. Then I'm gonna put some hot glue in the balloon, and then I'm going to attach it to the wood like that. So just go ahead, hold it into place, and then put a flower in the side, and then you're gonna do that and place a flower all the way around in the other side, and then you're also gonna place a flower in the back as well. Then I took this cute little string. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it out, and I'm gonna cut it out a long one, and then I'm just gonna attach it around the balloon. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is the simple way. You can just leave it as that. You don't have to put the other thing around, and I think it will look super beautiful as well. Or you can also do it this way, that you put the little string around the balloon. It's up to you how you want to do it. I'm just giving you a different idea. Now this is the white one, what I think it came out super pretty as well. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of all these DIY. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.